This is mommy money.
Mommy's money.
Yes. How
Daddy's,
much is this?
it's Daddy's money.
No, Daddy. How much is this?
It's
So I will buy sand.
Ayan, kinuha ni Nathan yung pera dito sa bag ko kasi mag-buy daw ko ng sand. Nag-ask yung daddy niya, where's your money? And then Nathan get my bag and then open it at saka kinuha yung dalawang 500 at binigay na sa daddy niya. Kasi mag-buy daw ko ng sand.
Is that your money, Nathan?
It's not your money, my love. That's mommy's money.
Give it to me.
Give it to daddy.
Yes.
So that daddy can buy a sand.
Or buy a sand? Oh. Buy a
How many sand do you like? You tell daddy how many sand do you like? It's 1,000 pesos eh.
1,000.
1,000.
1,000 pesos. What color do you like? What color?
Sand.
What color of the sand do you like? What color?
Zombie.
Nathan is a zombie.
Who's the zombie?
You.
I'm not zombie.
Oh, I will buy a sand.
Kada na tayo.
Okay.
Daddy will buy a sand, okay? Sabi niya, I want to buy a sand. Sabi, I want sand. Sand, yung buhangin. Tapos sabi ni, lalaro. Tapos sabi ni daddy, where's your money? Kinuha niya yung bag ko.
Magkakalat yan dyan.
Hindi dito yan ilalaro, halabas. Ay, cool. Malabad talaga siya kanina doon. Takbo ng takbo. Ang daming ginagawa niya. Bumaba ako kasi, di ba galing ako sa tinan mo yung galing ako, I give it to daddy. Daddy will buy a sand.
I will buy a sand. What color?
I want
What color?
blue.
Okay.
Blue din yung sand eh.
Blue sand.
Blue sand. Are you okay now? Daddy will buy a sand na, ha? Are you okay now? Say okay. Are you okay? Nathan, are you okay now? Nathan, tickle. Are you okay now? That daddy will buy a sand na.
Wow.
Nathan, are you okay? Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, honey.
Sige. Wait.